हे एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज मैं शेयर कर रही हूँ समथिंग स्पेशल, माय आachho haul. You know aachho always gives that royal Rajasthani vibe, and this suit, oh my god, it's just stunning. The fabric feels so soft, जैसे मेरे लिए ही बना हो. Look at the color, so elegant, so graceful. It's a perfect for special occasions जहाँ आपको simple but classy look चाहिए. Honestly, I fell in love the moment I tried it on. If you love ethnic wear, aachho is must try brand. And next वीडियो में इस सूट को ट्राई करके भी दिखाऊंगी. So stay tuned and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more beautiful hauls. Bye bye.